File Explorer is a file management tool that we all use every day. Sometimes when Windows is not working the way it should, we need to know alternative ways to do particular tasks. So here are 16 ways you can open File Explorer. This is probably the fastest way you can open File Explorer. Press the Windows key and the E key. Click on the File Explorer icon on the taskbar. What if I already have a File Explorer window open and I want to open another instance of the File Explorer? Clicking on the icon simply maximizes and minimizes the window. It does not open a new window. So just hold down the Shift key and click on it. You have a new window. You can also open a new File Explorer window from inside another File Explorer window. Just right-click on any folder that you want to explore and click on Open in New Folder. When inside a particular folder, Ctrl N will open another instance of the File Explorer window in the same folder. Press the Windows icon on the keyboard or click on the Start button at the bottom left corner and click on the File Explorer icon. Click on the Windows icon and scroll down to Windows System. And click on File Explorer or this PC. Click in the search box and type File Explorer and hit the Enter key. Open the Run command dialog box by pressing the Windows and the R keys. Then type Explorer and hit Enter. Press the Ctrl, Shift and Escape keys to open the Task Manager. Click on File and then click on Run New Task. Type Explorer and click on OK. Press the Windows and X keys or just right-click on the Start button to bring up the Quick Access menu and click on File Explorer. This might be handy only for intermediate or advanced users. Open the Run command dialog box by pressing the Windows and R keys and type CMD and hit Enter. Then type Explorer and hit Enter. Open the Run command dialog box by pressing the Windows and R keys and type CMD and hit Enter. Then type Explorer and a space and the period key. That will open File Explorer into the current directory that you're currently working on at the command prompt. Press the Windows plus R keys to open the Run command dialog box and type Powershell and hit Enter. Type Explorer and press Enter. Click in the search box and type this PC. Click on the best match, double-click on the C drive, double-click on Windows, search for the Explorer file, and double-click on it. Double-click on a shortcut to File Explorer. If you don't have a shortcut, watch my next video coming up soon on how to create shortcuts to programs or files and folders.